This is my Samsung Sound Tower MX T70. No, actually, that's Beanie. He's going to assist me with this, but being a cat and he doesn't have an opposing thumb, he's probably going to be worthless in this endeavor. But this is my Samsung MX T70 tower. All right. Has a great sound, Wi-Fi, but it has one problem. Now, it started doing that a couple of days ago. And when I dissected it, apparently the tower has several fans inside of it. One of the fans went bad, and hopefully that'll solve the problem. Right now, I'm going to be in the process of taking it apart. And as with modern day technology, it'll take longer to take it apart to replace the fan than actually replacing the fan itself. But here we go. Okay, so after fiddling around, I found out, at least partially, how to take this apart. Is it has two screws underneath this little rubber flap. I don't know if you could make that out. Two Phillips. And each leg, this unit has three, has that. Of course, I couldn't find that anywhere in any kind of documentation. So this is like experimentation.
I can tell you word for word exactly what it says.
Now,
Mr. Kralik. I beg your pardon.
Okay, I found this problem. As you can see, one of the fans is spinning the way it's supposed to. The other one is dead in the water. You can see it's spinning. The other one is dead. No spinning at all. It turned itself off. Okay, next I gently pried the top off, because after the three screws that hold it on up here, 1, 2, 3, there's little snaps. So I used a very thin screwdriver and I was able to pry it open. It took a little doing, but I did it. But be careful, because once that last snap came off, boom, the top just came flying out, and you can see this ribbon cable came loose, popped loose. It shouldn't be a big deal, because that's just a ribbon cable, and it connects, as you can see right over here. So I just have to remember to connect that back up, otherwise I have to take it all apart again. All right, for the next phase, I have to get in here and get to the fans. So that's the next thing I have to figure out how to do. Removing the plate was pretty easy. Okay, it was just 4 screws. And of course they're different colors, so I just mixed them in with the others because they're all different. The ones for the fan, they look too similar to some of the other screws, so I separated them. And as you can see, the fan was right here, so it was easy to get in there with a long screwdriver. They plug in right over here, so that part is pretty easy. Well, it looks like a job successfully done, because it seems to work. I was able to pair it with the TV.
Good evening. Hello?
All is good.
No, Mrs. Maticek, this is Miss
Excellent.
Carpenter.
Excellent.